Welcome to Smart Blocks. Today, I am going to teach you how to get dark theme on the main website and Roblox Studio. One of you guys mentioned it on my first video, which I am thankful for. Also, thank you for 30 views. All your support really helped me out a lot. Speaking of that, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications on the screen. Let's get started. We are going to start on the Roblox website. Please go up to your top right hand corner to the gear section. Left click. Go to settings. When you are on the page, there will be a theme section right here. And you should be under light. Click dark. It will make your whole thing dark. Make sure you hit save. When it gives you that message, you are good. You can feel free to browse around the website in your new dark theme home. Let's head over to the Roblox Studio. I am now at Studio. Go into any of your games. I'm going to start a new one. Go up to File, Settings, scroll down, and you should see the theme. There should be a default. You should be under default. Go to dark, and it will make everything look dark again. So here's your dark theme. It looks like the website. Great, you're done. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking, subscribing, and turning on the bell notifications for my next premiere. I post every week on Sundays. Time is unknown, but around 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.